I didn't want to say this. I don't know. I feel like so this is I don't want to gross people out. I don't. Okay, close your ears if you don't want to be grossed. So I have like I don't know if I talked about this. I'm sure I talked about it. I have this trauma with sneezes. I feel like I'm kind of sensitive to like mouth smells, like spit and stuff. And then when you see if someone sneezes, they're basically exploding 500 of their mouth air particles out into the air. And that's why I try not to, even though it might be bad for me, but I haven't died yet. I try not to let my sneezes out because I'm scared. Because when I was just a little Gigi in 4th grade, I sat next to this person for half a year who would open mouth sneeze all the time. And I would smell their sneeze. And it gave me the biggest ick in my entire life. And it was the most miserable half of a year. And it was so yucky. And then I was like, wow, I'm never gonna do that to someone. I'm never gonna sneeze like that and give someone the major ick like that. So, the mic they provide here with the foam pop filter, I can't have it close to my face because it kind of smells like spit. And it grosses me. I took it off. I took off the sponge and I put it to the side. I was next to my face. I was like, yeah. Now it's off, and now I'm